Hey everyone, Amethyst Dreams here. I just want to introduce this video. It's a couple adventures I did throughout the month of April, so I figured I'd put the whole video together and just share with you my month of April. It's a little bit late because we're almost at the end of May, but I figured why not? Better late than never, and you guys get to enjoy a couple more adventures with me. So if you like what you see, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you on this adventure. It's such a warm day here in Sonoma County that we came to the river that's really close to our house and we're dipping our feet in. The water's pretty cold because it's like the late afternoon, but we're here for sunset and just to soak it in. I got a really fire burrito and we're just gonna kick back and chill. But yeah, river things, river days.
It's pretty good.
And now we're back in the car, gonna start making moves pretty soon, but we just stopped to get all the stuff gathered. Shaggy, stop it. Shaggy, chill.
Gross.
Anywho, so yeah, that was the end of that quick little river moment. We got to eat, we got to chill. Yeah, but yeah, hopefully more adventures to come. On another adventure to Hallberg Butterfly Garden here in Sebastopol, technically the area of Grayton. It's a beautiful time of year, it's spring, and I love butterflies, so it was a really good opportunity to see them in their element and floating around and just being beautiful little bugs. Walking deeper into the Hallberg Gardens, they have a lower portion where there's just more blooms and more butterflies. They also have a creek running adjacent to the property, which is for butterflies to drink at. They have a little like landing area for them and just providing all the stuff that they need. The butterflies you see flying around are the pipevine swallowtail and the painted lady. And now I am at the vintage market here in San Rafael, checking out some of the antiques. My plan is to go to the farmer's market after with my friends, but first we're gonna look around and see if we can't find some good deals. I'm a fan of the trolls. Walking around the antique fair and just checking everything out. Everything's so cute and very nice. Yay! Just finished at the antique fair, now walking through the park and then headed to the farmer's market. So I will see you there. Oh, how cool. Now we are at the farmer's market, just walking around, looking at produce and grooving and all these things like that. So yeah. So excited. I'm gonna get some flowers. I'm gonna get some freesias. They're my favorite. I love the smell and they're just so beautiful. So I'm excited to get a bouquet of that and then probably some food as well. So I got my flowers and now I'm waiting for some pad thai and then gonna go drink some cider. So I will see you there. The pad thai has been secured. I'm really excited to eat it. It smells amazing. It's a little bit hot, so it's burning my hand just a tad. But we're walking to the car now, and then we're gonna go back to my friend's house where we can just sit on the patio and eat and chill and catch up and maybe have some cider. So I'm excited about that. And enjoying some cider on the patio. Just finished up eating that pad thai and hanging out at my friend's house, and now I'm headed home. The weather's changing a little bit. It's kind of windy, it's kind of cold out. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I might just go home, walk my dog, and kind of see what's next for today. But if not, I hope that you enjoy it. Hi everyone, Amethyst Dreams here. I'm currently on a walk with my dog Shaggy at my local park. We had some rain showers and then a rainbow and some flowers, and I figured why not pull up my camera and share this adventure with you guys. So just go ahead and join us for a little afternoon walk. I just got off work and I'm just trying to relax, so it's nothing major, but just a little something. So please go ahead and enjoy, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Listen to all the birds. It's so amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to another adventure. I am on my way to the Apple Blossom Festival here in Sebastopol. Currently walking with my dog and Sylvia, and we are headed there now, so I will see you there.
Thank you for your work.
And you can hear the parade in the background, but we are just getting here. It's really cool and everything's just getting started, so I will get some footage of that.
Tomate, cebolla morada y cilantro.
Yay! Alright, so we finished up at the parade and then we walked home, and I kind of stopped filming around then just because I was tired. And then after that we went and got tacos, and I think I put a little footage of that. And then we went to the grocery store, made salsa, and now we're headed to the beach. I got Shaggy in the car and we're making moves. I'm just waiting on my other half, and then we're gonna go down there and catch sunset. So I will see you guys at the beach. So we just got to the beach and we set up a little camp here in the trees. Super pretty behind me, the water. We got the blanket and just the view, hoping to catch a really nice sunset. So I'm really excited about that. I'll keep you updated. I think we're planning to walk Shaggy along the beach. But here, let me flip the camera because it's just so beautiful out. So my friend and I had an adventure day, and on our way out to the coast, we had to take some of the back roads through like the trees and the mountains. And while we were doing that, we saw a little yard sale. So that's where this next footage will begin, and you'll get to join us on our little day trip, doing some wine tasting and just enjoying each other's company. dreams here. I'm out on another adventure. Today I'm going to the gem fair. I did a couple garage sales, but they were pretty meh. We tried falling prices, but it was madness. But right now I'm about to get some food, and then I will see you guys at the gem fair as well. Okay, so I'm finally at the gem fair, just checking out the stones, hanging out with friends, and I'm just going to show you guys footage of that. Okay, so we just finished up at the gem fair. I got a necklace and a ring. I got this pendant. It's labradorite. It really shines beautifully. There it goes. And then I got an amethyst ring. It's really witchy and, I don't know, like spellcasting vibes. Just want to say thank you for making it to the end of my video. I really appreciate it. If you love my adventures and you want to see more, please just go ahead and like and subscribe. And yeah, more to come. Thanks.